So what we did was a sector performance from the virus high to virus low. Now what we're going to do is say sector performance from the virus high till now. So moving to California.
Okay.
People, we've been talking.
Okay.
Maybe acquisition to announce later today.
Moving to California?
Am I moving to California?
Yeah.
No. God, no. I would never move there. Love to visit. Don't want to live there.
See Walt Disney's house is for sale out there, the old one from the 60s.
I'm moving to California.
That's it.
Actually, over here in Orlando, they have, by the Four Seasons,
Yeah.
they have a little community. And now there's 8 million, $12 million homes in there,
Yeah.
designed and themed like that. And you get to use the Four Seasons.
Really?
Yep.
It's about $1 million, which
Oh.
isn't bad.
Wow.
It was in his family since 62 or whatever to
They're selling it for
2015.
$1 million?
Well, in 2015, the family finally sold it for $550,000. Changed hands, and then I don't know. So now it's worth over $1 million. 2,000 square foot, single story. It's not like a over-the-top super nice house, but I mean it's nice.
Living in Disney's house.
Yeah.
I will take the resort community over there.
Yeah.
Gorgeous, man. I mean, and then little hints of Disney inside your home. Oh my God. Took a tour.
in your home.
Got the tour the other day.
The other day,
It was virtual.
Oh.
You know, they let me in.
that's what Zillow's doing now, virtual tours.
Oh man, welcome to Outside the Virus, a quick daily show that we do to talk about stocks and things that are going on outside the. Have you heard about the virus?
Yeah.
That thing.
Yeah.
Yep. I'm Dustin Tibbetts, and you're a bastard, by the way.
Why?
Was that a joke? Was the Facebook stories? Was that a joke? Find the logo. There's no logo, right?
There's a logo on each of them.
I
There's
can't
a-
find the logo.
Really? You can't find
Well,
it?
because you have like 5 seconds. You click it and then.
No,
it
you
goes-
gotta put, but you hold your thumb on it, or if you're on the computer, you click it and hold it, and that lets you stay there.
Oh, I kept clicking it and then watching, and then it would go away. I'm like, okay, on to the next one.
Oh,
Felt like I
it's-
was on like Ellen's game
It's
show. or
there.
something.
I'll put.
There are not two. Are you for real?
There's one logo on each. Yeah.
They're gonna yell at you if there's not. I couldn't find it. Can
I
you guys?
will-
Whatever.
I'll post the answer today. I'll put the answer on there.
All right.
Should we put it on the YouTube post? Should I post one of those on YouTube?
Try it. Yeah. See if they can find it. Yeah. It's because it's timed. They time me. And I'm like,
It's not, but it's not timed. I mean, it is timed.
I
but
didn't
you,
know
You
you
can
hold-
screenshot whatever you.
Yeah. All right.
Couple good options there.
Numbers. I do numbers.
Yeah, I got it.
What do you got?
Let's do most in-demand side hustles. Obviously, the unemployment report came back out today, so people are looking for little side hustles, to help them out. But
How many are there?
36 million total.
No side hustles.
Oh, there's side hustles are
No, I mean on your list. You have
3. I have 3.
You got 3. I can name 2 out of 3.
Go.
Uber Eats.
Nope.
Or Uber something.
So actually, let me help you out. This is according to Fiverr and Upwork. What are the most trending?
Graphic design or web design.
Yep, that's one.
PR.
I'll say no.
Oh God. Okay, now I'm nervous. Does video graphics count?
Well, so your first one was app development. Was app development and product. Oh, you didn't say that.
I'm gonna
did you?
go with app development.
Yeah. Sorry, you said blogging, building websites, and social media. That would have
Yes.
fallen into that.
Yep.
Yes. There's one more. It's something that you do every day.
Oh. Video.
One more guess.
Cup of coffee.
Teaching.
Oh,
So
how do you teach?
teaching pretty much whatever. People need help with different things. So the 3, according to Fiverr and Upwork, those are the 3 biggest ones that people that are hiring. That's what they're looking for. What do you need?
what do you teach? Soy loca.
Oh no, no,
Little Spanish.
no. But those are the 3 biggest ones on those 2, and they're pretty high paid.
So if you're looking for a side hustle, what do? You go on Fiverr and you teach
Fiverr,
or something?
Upwork, and so yeah, those were kind of the main ones on there. Anywhere from, $36 an hour is the average on those 3.
Jeez. I
So-
think you get paid more by using sites like that because you're able to work together to set your rates.
Yeah, there's a lot of good ones on there. Like, I don't know. Once you get back into normalcy, it's like, hey, can someone take out my trash for $10 or whatever? But right now, you can't go see people, so it is these online things. And maybe you're not good at app development, but you could certainly make posters or signage for a hospital, product development or whatever. So,
Yeah.
yeah. So I
like
thought that was neat. So there they go.
I like it. got info from Goldman Sachs there.
Okay.
They're saying that by the fourth quarter, oil is going to be around $34, $35. That's what they're telling their customers. Hey, buy some oil, hang on to it. Fourth quarter, $34, $35 a barrel. That's good. And by next year, 65. Mid to late next year, $65.
Okay.
What do you think about that?
Okay. I was trying to think of who said it would be 45 by next year. There's someone on CNBC, I think.
That's CNBC. We get Goldman Sachs.
Yeah, you get Goldman Sachs. What are we at? What are we at now? 21 something?
24, I believe, this morning.
Okay.
But Goldman says, hey, that's where we're headed, man. Buy some oil.
Two things. One, that's good news, right? You know, that's
Good stuff.
yeah. And then two, another Goldman Sachs, huh? Stat, huh? You got an insider over there, or what are you talking to the people over there?
We got people.
You got people
We got
over
people.
there.
We've been talking.
Okay.
Maybe acquisition to announce later today, or I don't know, something
Whoa.
like that.
Whoa.
They help us. We help them.
I see you
work
working
together.
Okay.
I'm just saying.
That sounds like a little bit of a tease.
But it's not a tease. It's fact. But you know we'll see what's happening.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
What else you got?
Follow us on social media.
Oh.
That's it. I got the one.
Okay, well, yeah, I gotta come with the goods. I gotta give them something. Here we go. So I did this a while back. I thought we'd do like an update. From the virus high, we count that as February 19th. That's where that's the anniversary of the virus high. Virus low, March 23rd. So we've been doing a lot of different data studies on closing beat and stuff, just to kind of show what's moved from high to low and who's been doing better or worse. So what we did was a sector performance from the virus high to virus low. Now what we're going to do is say sector performance from the virus high till now. So in other words, all these sectors hit a high, they fell to some degree, some have bounced more than others. On the screen you're seeing the sector change in percentage terms from the virus high up till yesterday, most current data. What you can see there is healthcare leading the way. You got the S&P basically 15% away from virus highs. Healthcare 5.25% there, but the healthcare sector makes up about 15% of the S&P, so they can't lift the entire market back to highs. The one we always pick on, financials, all the way to the far right, it's the second to last position there, down 33% from the virus high still. So it hit a high, fell to some degree, and even though it's bounced, it's still 33% from that high. And that's not good. It washes out everything that healthcare has really tried to achieve there, or has achieved. Tech and healthcare make up about 35% of the S&P. They're the first two in terms of them being the leaders, but they can't lift the entire market up. So it just amazes me that you have financials and energy still have over 30% that they need to bounce in order to get back to the virus high. Not just their 52-week high, but the virus high. There's a lot of weakness out there that just will not seem to bounce, and I just kind of wanted to highlight on the chart there. And we're basically going on 3 months from the virus high till yesterday is almost 3 months.
So what are we still on any downtick in, or what's the main news story? What's the main thing that gets these things to kind of start turning around a little bit?
Well, that's the thing. I think we're entering a time where there's going to be more negative news than good news. I don't know if the markets fall because of that, but I'm saying you've got China tensions. The Trump said the other night or this morning, I'm not happy. I'm not happy with that. And that means I'm about ready to throw a bomb. He's going to do his thing. Not a bomb, but
no.
I'm about ready to lob some chaos. You've got financials just won't participate, and why should they? They're not making any. Net interest margin is their biggest sort of focus point. And there's no interest. Rates are low, predicted to go negative. You got the election coming up there. You got the virus resurgence, maybe, that the media is going to push that. But there's no doubt. We all go back to work. Somebody's going to get sick again, So
yeah.
I just don't see what's the catalyst to getting higher. Even if we do go all back to work and everything's good. Really?
I mean, there was no real catalyst for our last turnaround, right? I mean, we just kind of, to get to this point from virus lows to now, I feel like we've recovered really, really quickly, but there wasn't like a main thing that was like...
it's called 3 standard deviations away from the average. When you have something that falls so aggressively and so horribly like that did, you have people that essentially... Well, you have algorithms too that essentially just go, okay, well, just buy it. It's way undervalued relative to what... And we did the whole thing with United and Delta, and they're still down, but we did the whole argument is it really worth less than they bring in sales? And we did the whole thing, but there's some point where you just get oversold, and it becomes a big deal to buy a stock. It's, well, I'm getting a discount. It's like if a car is normally $15,000 and you see it for $14,500, you're like, nah, I'll hold out. But if all of a sudden it's $12,000, you go, well, that's a $15,000 car. Even if I'm off by $1,000, that's a $14,000 car.
Yeah.
So you have to do it.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
That's it.
Well, I really appreciate you guys watching. That's all we got for today. Hopefully that helps you in some way. What else?
That's it.
Okay.
Still ended up being kind of long.
Oh, man. Well, enjoy the rest of your day. Customers, we'll see you later tonight. Wine and Wealth. We're going to do the new stimulus package, but we're going to go through everything and kind of say, well, what's out there, what's likely to be voted on, what will be get dropped, what money are you getting, what tax cuts are you getting, all that good stuff.
There's a lot of fun stuff tied into that Heroes Act, by the way. There's a lot of fun stuff. Just outside of the money, there's a lot of fun stuff that they like to tie in with it. You know?
That's the fun
It's
part.
always
It's like-
interesting that they do that.
And I'm a little bit more calmer about it now because they're not just handing out $3 trillion, they're handing out $1.9 trillion, and then they're going to help you with some tax breaks as well.
Yeah.
I can get on board with that.
Yeah.
I still disagree, but I can get on board with it.
Yeah.
All right, enjoy your day, guys. We'll see you later.